Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you are all doing well today. I have a quick video to share with you guys. This is a post review for Everdayedeals. I thought I had filmed this and I put these guys away, but when I was cleaning up my desk today, I realized I did not film these guys. So sorry about that. These are the completed diamond paintings. Unfortunately, I had already cleaned out the leftover drills for the snowman. I do still have the leftover drills for the bee here because I had kept them in these containers from the Saner Direct tray that I was using. So I do have those to share with you. So we'll start with the bee first. It is absolutely gorgeous. The colors are just beautiful, with the yellows and the turquoise and the pinks and the iridescent. I just love it. It worked up really fast, easy. Quality of the drills was really great. No issues or concerns, and lots of extras. As you can see, I have extras of every single drill. This one here was empty, these three. It was only 1 through 9. So, extras of everything, great quality, no issues, no concerns, and I think it's an absolutely gorgeous painting. I love this one in special drill. Afterwards I'll show you guys, I did complete this one in a full drill so I can compare and show you guys what the difference looks like. And this one here is the 30 by 30 snowman, super sparkly, super awesome. I think this guy turned out really great too. He had 20 different colors. Again, there was a little bit of dirt on there. There were no issues with drill quality and quantity. I definitely had lots of extra leftover drills on this one. But again, I had already cleaned them out of the container in order to use it for another diamond painting. But I love the way this one turned out. I think he's really great and he's going to be beautiful to display for Christmas. So that is the two paintings, no issues. Again, they were sent to me by Everydayedeals for reviewing. Let me quickly grab the other bee. Don't remember the company that this guy came from, but it is available on all the websites. It wasn't Everydayedeals, but I just wanted to show them both to you together. This is the full round drill, and this is the partial special drill. So same image. This one kind of got squished and elongated, I think. It's not quite the same size, but I think it still turned out beautiful. They're both really cool, but depending on what look you like, if you like the full drill or if you like the special drill. Let me know which one is your favorite. Which would you prefer when you're looking at a diamond painting like this? All right, and check out Everydayedeals. I will put the links in here from my original unboxing video. And that's it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.